Hey guys, do you like this knowledge base? I'm going to show you how to create it in 5 minutes or less. Actually, you see how beautiful it is. You can create it and we're giving it for free, completely for free. Having all of these things, the articles that you want, how you want them, and you can add your own articles, edit them, change categories and whatsoever. So to do that, it's very simple. Just come here and then fill in your information to create your account. Once you fill in this information, you will receive an email like this one mentioning your password. Of course, this password is not going to work. Don't waste your time. Mentioning your password, and then from there, you just need to come to app.highlevelplugins.com, log in with your email and the password that you received, and you will be in. Once you log in, you're going to have access to only knowledge base. In this case, that's what we're giving for free. Knowledge base you're going to see. If you want to get all the other things, just go to ghlplugins.com and then try the tools there. So you just click on knowledge base. When you click on knowledge base, you're going to see a lot of articles. We have almost 1,000, maybe more than 1,000 articles directly from GHL Help Center, where we have white label all of the articles, the videos and stuff, and we have put it here. You can decide to then click on and list articles, and any article that you feel like you want to have, you just need to select it and click on publish, or you can just select all and click on publish. Once you do that, you are good to go. You can add your own articles, like really just click on add new articles, and when you click on add new articles, you can put the article title or like all what goes not and what goes there, and then you publish them. Then comes the good part. You can click on settings. You can choose a domain name. The main domain is knowledgebase.center, like a center of knowledge base. And then you can choose your domain name. In this case, I put GHL Plugins. I could put GHL Plugins 1 just so that you see how it works. You can upload your logo. So I just updated my logo, and then you can see that now my domain is ghlplugins1.knowledgebase.center. And of course, you can copy this, and once you copy it and open, you can have it as a link on its own, and you can also put it as a custom mailing link. It is very much embeddable inside HighLevel, and you have a knowledge base completely yours within less than 5 minutes. You can embed that, and what good thing is, very much available. Okay, there's no article here. Yep, you have some articles from videos, completely white labeled. These are videos, just so you can see. You have articles like this one, all white labeled, and just so you can enjoy. So if you like it, feel free, go try it out. 100% free. Bye.